Tension surged in the Middle East as the Israeli airstrikes targeted an annex of the Iranian consulate in Damascus, Syria on Monday, as reported by the state media. The strike, fifth in the Syria within the last 8 days, resulted in the death of 8 individuals, including a senior commander of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps (IRGC) Quds Force, Brigadier General Mohammad Reza Zahedi. This escalation comes amid heightened regional tensions compounded by the ongoing conflict in Gaza. While Israel has not issued any immediate comment on the matter, the attack is likely to exacerbate tensions, particularly as Israel has intensified its assault on Iran-linked militant groups during its conflict with Hamas in Gaza. According to Syria's official news agency Sana, the Israeli attack targeted the Iranian consulate building in the Mazeh neighborhood of Damascus. Witnesses on the ground confirmed the destruction of the annex adjacent to the embassy, located in an affluent area of the capital. The attack highlights the intricate geopolitical situation that is going on in the region. With Syrian President Bashar al-Assad enjoying support from Iran and allies, this attack came as a shocker. Israel's targeting of Iranian facilities further complicates the ongoing war, raising concern about the potential escalatory moves. Images from the scene showed a significant pile of the rubble next to a fenced compound, highlighting the extent of the damage caused by the airstrikes. The Iranian media also reported that the strike in Damascus completely demolished the annex building, while confirming that the ambassador and his family were unharmed. The Syrian Observatory for Human Rights, based in Britain, initially reported that the Israeli missiles targeted the annex building, resulting in the death of 6 individuals, a toll that was later revised to 8. Syria's defense ministry confirmed the numerous casualties in the Israeli strike, while the Syrian foreign minister Faiz al-Maghdad also denounced the attack as a heinous terrorist act that targeted the Iranian consulate building, resulting in the loss of quote-unquote innocent lives. The Israeli strikes on Syrian targets, including Syrian army position and Iran-backed combatants such as Hezbollah fighters, have intensified since October, coinciding with Israel's war with Hamas militants in Gaza. The incident in Damascus follows Israeli strikes reported 3 days earlier, which resulted in the death of 53 individuals in Syria, including soldiers and members of Iran-backed Hezbollah. The escalation of Israeli strikes in Syria and Lebanon underscores the broader regional tension and ongoing conflict between Iran and Israel, including Hezbollah.